To maintain your Whoop sign up, follow these steps. First, ensure you have a stable internet connection to avoid any disruptions during the process. Open the Whoop website or mobile app and log in to your account using your email address and password. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password option and follow the prompts to reset it. Once logged in, navigate to the Account Settings section where you can update your personal and payment information. Make sure your payment method is up to date to avoid any interruptions to your subscription. You can also manage your subscription plan and adjust it according to your needs. Next, ensure your Whoop device is properly paired with your mobile device and the app is updated to the latest version. This will guarantee you receive accurate data and notifications. Regularly sync your Whoop device with the app to upload your data and view your progress. It is also essential to keep your Whoop device charged to avoid missing any important data. Additionally, take advantage of the various features and insights provided by the Whoop app, such as sleep, recovery, and strain tracking, to optimize your performance and wellness. By following these steps and staying on top of your account and device management, you can maintain your Whoop sign up and get the most out of your subscription. Remember to regularly review and update your information to ensure a seamless experience.